In this video I'm going to show you how to beat level 141 in IQ Dungeon. So to do this, first you need to move and just circle around your phone like that. Then move your heroes right here. Scroll all the way down. Just place them there. Now again, scroll down. Place them here. And move them here. Now again turn around your phone like that, and again turn around your phone like that. Now the door opens, and to get there you'll need to do the same pattern, like turn around your phone, place them here, now here, now turn your phone around like that and place them right there at the door, and the final turn for the phone, and you're done. That's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.